If you want to set up recurring deposits on Acorns to grow your investment automatically, it's pretty simple. Well, first, open the Acorns app and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the Invest tab at the bottom. From there, look for the option labeled recurring or recurring investments. This is where you can set how much money you want to invest regularly and how often, like daily, weekly, or monthly. Just enter the amount you want to contribute and choose your preferred schedule. After you confirm, Acorns will automatically deduct the amount from your linked bank account on the schedule you choose and invest it into your portfolio. You can always go back and adjust or pause your recurring deposits anytime if your financial situation changes. Setting up recurring deposits is a smart way to build wealth steadily without having to think about it every day. Plus, Acorns helps round up your spare change from everyday purchases to add to your investments, making it even easier to save. With that said, now your money will start working for you automatically. And like always, if you do have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe these videos.